Today we came with lot of answers where many of them are searching for. What is a virus? A virus is a very small germ, so small, that without a powerful microscope, you can't see them. Viruses can make us sick, but they can't do it on their own. They need to be alive in the body of another creature. Host is required. They enter our cells only to find their home. What is coronavirus? As you see nowadays, people are talking about the coronavirus everywhere. New ways of survival are coming out, new symptoms are being told. It is claimed that this one is the new virus and is spreading very fast around the world. Coronavirus, it has a corona or crown shape. In the Latin language, the crown is called a corona. This virus looks like it is wearing a crown. Its infection usually causes symptoms like cough, fatigue, breathing problems and fever, but most of its victims are aged people or people who are in the grip of some serious disease.
The disease caused by the coronavirus is named COVID-19.
What is the full form of COVID-19? Coronavirus disease 2019, coronavirus DISEASE 2019. Is that really a new virus as claimed? No. This is not a new virus, but yes, it's a new kit has been created to detect coronaviruses. Our body is made up of 90% viruses and bacteria. It was even before we were born, it is still today, and it will be after our death. We live with these bacteria, viruses. After we die, they go to another living thing. Now most of these viruses, bacteria are good and some are bad. When the amount of bad virus, bacteria increases, then we start getting sick. We are surrounded by bacteria, viruses everywhere, whether it is at home, outside, or in any corner of the world. We cannot see them with naked eyes. To see them, a strong microscope is needed. Let's take a simple example. In our country, good people are more and bad people are less, such as viruses, bacteria. When these bad people start growing, then the danger in our country increases. Then the number of our troops is increased, such as the immune system in our body, so that they can fight whether those enemies come from outside or inside. Where did this virus come from? The virus was first detected in Wuhan, China in December. But it is believed that this virus actually first evolved in bats.
From there reached another animal, and then from it to humans. No one knows if there is an animal that gives disease to humans.
But if some people believe it may be a scary pangolin eating ants, this is just the story of a Hollywood movie that China has actually created. Everything cannot be the same. This movie found a virus that had no name, and in real life, a virus detector kit was found and the virus was named Corona. Hollywood movie, Contagion, released on the 9th of September 2011, USA. Watch this full movie till the end, you would know the conspiracy of the present corona. Backquote: how does virus reach human cells? The virus penetrates through a special door found outside human cells. The new coronavirus also needs a key to enter the cells. In this case, thorns that grow on the outer surface of the coronavirus help in opening the door. Once inside the cell, the virus very quickly prepares thousands of copies. These patterns break out of the cell and exit and enter other cells. On reaching a certain point, the number of viruses in the cells becomes so much that the cells are not able to do their normal work, and then we got sick. Is it true that vaccine is found to cure of COVID-19? No. There is vaccine found, yet if you see around coronavirus, COVID-19, vaccines, these all are fake and rumors. Stay away from all of them. Scientists have already begun working on it, but developing a vaccine that might be safe and effective in human beings will take many months. Can face mask protect you from COVID-19? The answer is no. Coronavirus virions are spherical with diameters of approximately 125 nanometers, as depicted in recent studies by cryo-electron tomography and cryo-electron microscopy. Certain models of vocational tightly fitting respirators, such as the N95, will defend healthcare employees as they take care of infected patients. For the common public without the respiratory disease, wearing lightweight disposable surgical masks isn't suggested. Because they don't work tightly, they may permit small infected droplets to get into the nose, mouth or eyes. Also, folks with the virus on their hands who touch their face below a mask would possibly become infected. People with respiratory disease can wear these masks to minimize their probability of infecting others. Keep in mind that stocking via masks makes fewer accessible for sick patients and healthcare workers who want them. Why don't you need to scare with coronavirus? Coronavirus is just a normal flu virus, and it has very less impact than the influenza virus. Government of UK said that as of the 19th of March 2020 that COVID-19 is no longer considered to be high consequence infectious disease (HCID) in the UK. What is name of the test kit of coronavirus? Reverse transcription real-time polymerase chain reaction (RT-PCR) kit is a laboratory technique combining reverse transcription of RNA into DNA. Regulatory status, for research use only, not for use in diagnostic procedures. It's clearly mentioned that it is only for research purpose and not to be used for diagnostic purposes. This is the manufacturer's mandate. Even it has been also said by the inventor of this kit named Kary Mullis, who is a Nobel Prize winner. Why are so many people dying in Italy? It has been reported in Italy 99% of the people who died of corona had some disease in the past, the credit for which nowadays takes the corona. It is enough to scare people. The median age of the infected is 65, but most of those who die are older. Weekly bulletins of the all-cause mortality levels in up to 24 European countries or regions of countries. Thanks for watching.